have Soma in the building, we have Venita in the building.
What's up?
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Why do you think you and Joey just didn't get along?
I swear on my life, I don't even reason this person. You stepped, but you shouldn't have stepped.
Yeah.
You got tidied up back. That's literally it.
How is that situation with your ex-girlfriend right now?
Yeah, she's on the same page because she knew from the beginning. We told ourselves, I knew she had a boyfriend and she knew I had a girlfriend.
Okay.
But we had spoken about it and we knew what we were going to do moving forward.
You write 2 letters. One now to Soma. The other one.
I was like,
Now the controversial letter.
very time you braid my hair for room. I couldn't come talk say. Then they talk about her for table. Talk say the girls shall no they talk to her because of Venita or something along the lines of that. I say, sure. And I don't they beg Biggie since, so I tell Biggie, I say Biggie please prank us. This house don't they get boring. So I feel like I just get one light bulb for it. I was like, yes, I've cut them. So now it's inspired with that. I'm like,
But that was the real truth. Why you actually cry when you come out on Sunday?
The time where I come out, not be bad time to come out, not be bad thing. But as I reach stage, see noise, see crowds, he choke. Because when they come on one place like this, where people they do kitty kata kata, you can't enter where they just they shout, John. I weak, I humble die.
why Angel?
Just gravitated naturally to her. It wasn't let me see her on the peak. It was just, we started out being friends, and
We started as close friends.
Hey!
Hey.
hey. So what she said basically.
I'm asking you. You ain't about to do that. Say how.
Yeah, it was friendship was first, but I guess we connected on a different level after,
Right.
being friends, connected on a deeper level. Now I felt like we had some chemistry. The first time I told her, I think we have chemistry. She's like, who said that?
We've got Ndubisi from Shasha. It goes, my question to Soma, with respect to Angel, does he not think Angel is using him to catch crews? Same applied with Cross.
Angel is not the same Angel that was here.
How do you know?
It's not your fault. Everyone says in Biggie's house is totally different from the outside world.
Yeah.
I just want to know, I saw different shades of you. I saw you at your happiest with your and then I saw you there were different points where you were so vulnerable, you cried. What really happened in the house?
For me, I let myself go in full.
Okay.
I think it's very important for people to see your rawness, because that's where relatability comes in. And to me, it's just too much work to try and be anything else. I think, walking the journey that I have, there are so many layers, and there is a kaleidoscope of different facets to me.
Big brother Naija.